You know what's creepier than giant spiders? Giant spider egg sacs. Be like
Gross.
hundreds of baby spiders laying in there ready to burst.
I hate spiders, and we always make spider stuff.
All the spiders for you.
This project is super, super easy. We're gonna use old recycled materials that you have around the house. It requires almost no tools. I think just a pair of scissors.
If you made our giant spider and our giant spider webs, these are the perfect addition to go with those.
This is all we need.
This is it. You need a few different colors of paint. You need a plastic water jug or milk jug. You need this. It's that spider webby stretchy stuff. Ours is covered in dog hair. That's totally optional.
Dog hair optional.
These are little clear half fillable Christmas ornaments. They're actually left over from our spider project. They were the
That's
eyes.
kind of neat. We're using the spider eyes to make spider egg sacs.
If you don't want to get those, you could also do some water bottles with dome-like bubbly lids.
I love the idea of recycling this stuff. I think I'm gonna try the water bottles.
And then for tools, all you need are scissors and a hot glue gun.
Jaimie threw away my milk jug, so I'm using a vinegar bottle.
I thought we had more of them, but yours will smell extra
Gross? Yeah,
gross.
thanks.
And
It's perfect.
I rinsed it a couple times.
You do need to take the label off because the way we're gonna do it, I think this will show through. So step 1, remove labels. Oh no. Step 1, remove part of the label.
Now, I'm gonna hot glue bubbles all over it. We want it to look round, and these are definitely not round. You gotta use your bubbles and layer them to make it look roundish. The cool thing about these ornaments is you can buy a pack that has multiple sizes in it. So you got your big spider eggs and your little baby spider eggs. I'm just gonna start gluing. It will take shape as we go.
Are you just gonna put on as many as will fit?
Yeah, uncover it. Hot glue.
Okay, hot glue is melting this plastic.
Oh no.
It's just a little deformed. Also, my bottle is round. Your bottle has like flat sides, you know?
I'm sorry I sabotaged your spider sack. That worked.
Aha. That time I put the glue on the bottle and then put this down so it didn't have time to melt. This one is a disaster.
Are you dumping out
I'm
vinegar
dumping
all
water
over?
everywhere.
Ah, no!
Oh.
That was a party foul? Craft foul? Hot?
Yeah, I keep putting my fingers in it. So I mostly used the what do you call these? The water bottles. Yours went way faster because I kind of had to shape it. Also though, I think because the round bottle, it was harder to like glue things to
Yeah,
it.
you didn't have any flat surfaces.
Yeah, I filled in some of the gaps with like the little round ornaments. I even used the caps from the water bottle in a couple places. What do we do next?
So next we're gonna give them a base coat with some white spray paint. They're painted and they're beautiful. Now we're gonna go back in with some washes. We're gonna do some black and green, and it's gonna go mostly in the cracks, and that will help accentuate the bubbliness. Also make it look like gross, because eggs and spiders are gross.
Yes, yes they are.
Another thing I do is while I'm dabbing it off, then I go back on the clean areas and kind of give those a little light coating.
Using the dirty paper
Using
towel?
the dirty paper towel, yeah.
So you're going back over it with green.
I am.
Black, green, black, kind of layer it. It's kind of like an organic, you know, kind of like mossy, muddy color.
So this is just regular spiderweb that you get at the grocery store or big box store or
They have
wherever.
spider webs at the grocery store?
Yes.
Really?
During Halloween.
It's like, I need some milk, some eggs, and some spider webs. I love it.
Yes. The trick to this stuff.
Can they do curbside spider webs though?
H-E-B can do anything.
I'm very proud of that. That looks better than I expected it to. Look, I see no difference.
I think this looks great, but there's a couple extra things that we want to add. The first one is spider babies. Pretend a few of them hatched out and they're going to be kind of crawling around the egg sac. So we're just going to hot glue those on. Think that's enough spiders? What do you think?
That's too many.
Too many spiders?
Yeah.
Okay, there is one more thing that we want to try. So because these are hollow, how cool would it be if we put some string lights in here and then it glowed? To hang them up, what we're gonna use is some of the spider web. We're gonna stretch it out. And then since this has like this nice little lip up there, look.
Look at that.
There we go.
Thanks for watching, guys. There's more Halloween projects right down there. Until next time, stay wicked.